how to buy female deer wolf token. So this token came under the symbol of Khaleesi. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now, as you can see, this token is available in the screener. It created 7 hours ago and increased by 400% in the last 24 hours. And this token trending number 4 in the Solana section. Now, I will show you how to buy this token. It's easy and simple. Just click here to copy the token address and open your fund to wallet for that, as you can see. Now click here on swap and make sure that you have enough Solana on your wallet. After that, click here and paste token address in the search bar. As you can see, this is our token. Now click on it and click on I understand. Now here you can type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive that token. After that, select the pricing and click on provider and select Jupiter, for example. Click on apply and go back. And click here on swap and you will be able to redirect to the Jupiter provider page to complete the buy process. So this is how to buy Khaleesi token. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.